AI can generate almost anything: images, music, writing, code, videos, ideas. The problem is no longer scarcity. The problem is overload. When everything can be created, the real advantage shifts not toward production alone, toward selection. Taste may become a superpower. The ability to recognize quality, meaning, beauty, usefulness, signal may become one of the most valuable skills in the AI era. AI creates infinite output. For most of history, creating high quality work required time and expertise. AI dramatically changes that equation. Content is becoming infinite. Abundance creates noise. When everyone can generate articles, videos, designs, products, marketing, entertainment, the amount of noise explodes. And noise changes what becomes valuable. People don't just need more content, they need filtering, prioritization, interpretation, refinement, direction. They need help identifying what actually matters. Curation becomes economically important. In a world flooded with options, people increasingly value trusted filters. The people who can consistently identify quality gain leverage. Taste is pattern recognition. Taste is not random preference. It's the ability to recognize quality, coherence, emotional resonance, timing, subtlety, strategic fit, often before others do. Good judgment saves time. Bad decisions become extremely expensive in information rich environments. Strong judgment reduces noise, confusion, wasted effort, distraction. That becomes increasingly valuable. AI can generate options. Humans still choose. AI is excellent at producing possibilities, but humans still provide direction, prioritization, emotional context, strategic intent. The future may depend heavily on human selection. Taste shapes culture. Every era is influenced by people who decide what gets attention, what gets amplified, what feels meaningful, what becomes signal instead of noise. Taste influences outcomes far beyond aesthetics. Creativity is shifting. The old model emphasized manual execution. The new model increasingly emphasizes vision, synthesis, direction, refinement, curation. The creative role evolves upward. The best operators will guide AI well. The strongest creators may not be the people generating the highest volume. They will be the people who know what to pursue, what to reject, what deserves attention, what resonates deeply. Taste creates differentiation. When tools become widely available, taste becomes a separating force. Because tools can be copied, but deep judgment is harder to replicate. The future may reward refinement. In noisy environments, refinement becomes powerful. Clean thinking, clear aesthetics, strong direction, intentional design. Refinement signals intelligence. Develop your ability to discern signal. Pay attention to quality, depth, clarity, timelessness, and emotional resonance. Those instincts compound over time. Don't just consume endlessly. Passive consumption weakens discernment. Intentional observation strengthens it. The future rewards selective attention. Taste is built through exposure and reflection. Good judgment develops slowly by studying great work, strong ideas, human behavior, timeless principles, patterns across disciplines. Taste compounds quietly. AI creates abundance, humans create meaning. As AI floods the world with output, human judgment becomes increasingly valuable because meaning still requires discernment. Taste will become a superpower. The future may belong to people who can identify signal inside infinite noise, not just people who can create more, but people who know what actually matters. I hope you're enjoying this series. If you do, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.